Yeah, hi. Thank you, Nupur. That was indeed some story. It was very, very inspiring.
Thank you, Shruti.
Okay, let me. There. Some people have already put their comments in the chat box saying there's one of the best sessions that they've heard and very inspiring. So just letting you know.
Wow, I'm glad.
Just looking at if there are any questions. If anybody has any questions, they can unmute themselves or raise their hands, and I can take their questions. You can also type the question in the chat window if you want.
So,
Hello.
Nupur,
Yeah,
while people
yeah.
are contemplating their questions,
हाँ
okay,
जी.
somebody is asking.
Somebody is here. Javed, you have a question?
Yes.
Yeah,
Nupur,
Javed.
I am Javed from Jammu and Kashmir. I am from Anantnag. I am running a school for children with disabilities and have a number of children with visual disabilities also. So I am very much encouraged to see your struggle in the life, but you are very determined and you have all succeed in your life. Very much congratulations. Keep it up.
Thank you. Thank you.
So uh, I just have a question that can be suggest. I mean, my opinion too that when person with disabilities get some challenges like you had in submitting forms in, so there is a now the technology is being advanced and there are provisions we can improve our technological area to make ourselves very much empowered, so that we are not lagging behind in any way. Technology has really opened the doors. We have a lot of issues in J&K that we don't have the internet facility, but I have seen George. Uh, I have seen a lot of interesting stories and role models who I when I see them, I feel very much uh, encouraged that I know these people. I am the one of the friends of them. Looking at you is also the same, that you are very independent. But my suggestion is use the technology, try to open your more doors so that you are a perfect role model. Tomorrow you can be a stakeholder where you can show the way to other young women with visual disabilities to do some more in their life. And
Sure.
one thing more is that when you work in different companies, you have you gain a lot of experience. And you said that as a woman you had one or other problem in going at one or other places. So what would you advise to the young generation of women with disabilities, how they can be very safe at every end, so that they can move around, travel around independently, and can do more with the concentrate on their work and can attain everything in their life?
Uh, Thank you, Javed sir. सबसे पहले मैं ये कहूँगी be vigilant. Being a person with vision impairment, क्योंकि आप देख नहीं पा रहे आपके आजू बाजू में क्या होता है, तो just be vigilant कि आजू बाजू में सुनने की कोशिश करिए. Be a little conscious कि किसका टच कैसा है, कोई क्या बोल रहा है. एंड ध्यान दीजिए कि आप जैसे एयरपोर्ट पे भी है, एयरपोर्ट पे मुझे काफी दफा होता था कि इट यूज टू बी अ लॉन्ग वेटिंग, कई बार फ्लाइट्स डिले हो जाती थी, मुझे वॉशरूम जाना रहता था. एंड हाउ डू आई गो नाउ? तो आपके मेरे साथ में जनरली मेल एजेंट सपोर्ट करने वाले हेल्पर रहते थे फ्रॉम ग्राउंड स्टाफ. सो आई यूज्ड टू टेल देम कि मुझे ऐसे ऐसे जाना है, बट आई हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी कॉशियस कि मुझे जो लेडी लेके जा रही है वो कहाँ से किस रास्ते से लेके जा रही है. इन माय ओन माइंड आई यूज्ड टू फिगर आउट कि हम ये रास्ते से गए हैं, देन आई टुक अ लेफ्ट, देन आई टुक अ राइट, देन आई वेंट इनटू द वॉशरूम. सो कल को इन केस देर इज एनी इमरजेंसी, कल को मुझे कहीं कुछ सपोर्ट चाहिए, सो आई एम नॉट फुल्ली डिपेंडेंट ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर लेडी हु गॉट मी इन टू द वॉशरूम. So I could come out. So keep your phone handy. Again, keep technology is something which is important. जैसा आपने बोला. Third thing is I used to keep always my walking cane with me 100% all the time, and that too in my hand, not in my bag, not in my luggage. हमेशा उसको हाथ में पकड़ के रखती थी, एंड इवन व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू गेट इनटू द वॉशरूम एंड ऑल, तो मैं उसको ध्यान से रखती थी, सो आई गेट इट एंड आई टेक इट इन एंड टेक इट आउट. सो बीइंग अ विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड वुमन, मेरी यंग जनरेशन को यही सजेशन रहेगी, डोंट गिव अप. अपने सपनों को सजाइए और उनको कैसे हासिल करना है वो सोचिए, रादर देन सेइंग कि मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ बिकॉज मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है या मेरे पास बैरियर्स बहुत सारे हैं. बट व्हाट एल्स कैन यू डू एंड हाउ यू कैन मेक श्योर दैट यू आर सेफ, वो थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखिए.
Great.
Thank you, Nupur. Actually, I was trying to get this point also that I also work hard. That person with visual, although I have myself the orthopedic disability, I'm wheelchair user, but I work with all type of person with disabilities as a I can say activist, I can say social worker. I am holding masters in social work. After that, I like to start an advocacy program in my state of Jammu and Kashmir for the rights of person with disabilities, so that people can know their laws. We should know everything what is about us, what is being done by the government. But one thing I saw that whenever I use it to organize any awareness program for the person with visual disabilities, I feel that 90% of person with disabilities, visual disabilities, don't use the smart cane.
हाँ
I
जी,
mean walking cane. Cane.
बिल्कुल.
Sometimes they feel shy. Even I asked them that without using my wheelchair, I can't do anything. It is our identity that when you have a cane, a
Exactly.
lot of people will come to you and know you that he's a person with visual disability, because today we have a lot of egos. Sometimes we don't want to try to say anybody, do you want any help? But when you have a cane in hand, you will be identified as a person with visual disability, and a lot of people will come and say you whether you want any help, whether you want to do anything. It has both the consequences, but on the humanitarian ground, it's 90% it is okay that it is an identity and people will try to help you. They will be very much sensitive about you. But what can be done to introduce this using of cane? It is the first step towards independence, but I feel
Absolutely.
that people are not using.
सबसे पहले तो जावेद सर, हमें मानना है, एक्सेप्ट करना है कि ये इम्पेयरमेंट मेरे साथ है तो है, अभी तो मेरी जिंदगी भर मेरे साथ चलेगी. मैं इसके साथ रह के क्या कर सकती हूँ, हैव टू प्लान दैट. एंड उसके लिए सबसे बड़ा सपोर्ट मेरी वॉकिंग स्टिक है. मैं अगर एक जगह बैठ जाऊंगी थिंकिंग कि मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रहा, मैं मूव अराउंड नहीं करूंगी, सो दैट विल बिकम माय लिमिटेशन. मुझे लिमिटेशन अपनी कोई चीज को बनने ही नहीं देना है. मुझे ऑल्टरनेट सोचना है कि मैं उसको कैसे अपने लिए अपनी एबिलिटी बनाऊं, कैसे मैं उसको अपनी इनएबिलिटी बनने से रोक सकूं. तो मेरी वॉकिंग स्टिक सबसे बड़ा सपोर्ट है. सो दिस इज हाउ आप प्रॉब्ली वहाँ के विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड स्टूडेंट्स को बता सकते हैं कि ये आपकी पहचान है, अब आपको इसको रखना है. सो इट becomes a support to you whenever required. Sometimes it becomes your identity whenever required, and sometimes you can use it whenever it is required. So it is a multi-purpose device that you have in your hand, और इसको कहीं नहीं छोड़ना है.
Thank you, Nupur. Any other questions?
Yeah, Siddharth, please go ahead.
Yeah. Hi, Nupur. This is Siddharth Sharma. First and foremost, I'd like to say I love the spunk in your voice and I love your gutsy attitude. You really have it in you. I wish we had more blind people like you in the workforce, because I'm sure you're an asset to whichever organization you've worked with. Now, I have a question which is a very basic question, but you have to answer it dispassionately. You worked in two sectors. You worked with the private sector. You worked with one of the biggest IT companies, Wipro. Now you're working with GAIL, which is again a very big, reputed PSU. Yeah? Tell me honestly, when it comes to general day-to-day work, and the whole culture rate higher? The private sector or working in a government PSU?
I lost you in between. आपका आवाज थोड़ा clear नहीं, जब आपने question बोला, can you please say the question again, please?
Okay, the question was
हाँ जी.
that in which of the two sectors, you have to answer this dispassionately, okay?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Huh? Yeah. Which of the two sectors, I mean, you worked with Wipro, you're working with GAIL,
Yeah.
which of the two sectors give you actual job enrichment? Where did you get your, energy, day-to-day energy, like, where you say, I love my job, I want to work here, and it gives me, the will to wake up early in the morning and get back to work? Where was it? In Wipro or right now in GAIL?
I think it's a big platform to really honestly share my feeling. It was Wipro.
Yeah, okay. Good.
It was Wipro.
I like
I
that
loved
because
my
I'm from the
job.
private sector too.
I'm
Okay,
sorry.
I like your answer. Yeah, okay.
I loved my job. That's the reason in between also I shared this when I was sharing my experience कि GAIL कैसे हुआ. I shared this. I loved my job. I loved my work.
Right.
But what was my priority really helped me to decide where I would want to be.
Yeah, sure. No, your family life does come first. Anyway, all the best. Hopefully, we'll see more of you and more people like you in the workforce.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Okay,
Okay.
Nupur, there's a question from Pradhiman Maheshwari. He says, do you have any suggestions for the sighted people on how to work with the visually impaired people?
A suggestion for sighted people is not to live with their inhibitions. कोई भी सवाल जो मन में आए उसको पूछ ले. No question is a silly question for people with disability when they are in front of you.
That's very, very interesting. I'll keep that in mind too as a sighted individual.
Because I had my boss in Wipro. He was a general manager, but he was one child like person who asked me very basic questions like, नुपुर आपको कलर कैसे पता लगेगा, आप कैसे कॉम्बिनेशन बनाते हैं. ही asked me मतलब खाना खाते हुए, नुपुर आप खाना कैसे खाएंगे. मैंने कहा यार आंख बंद करके आप खा के देखिए, आप क्या नोज में खाना घुसाएंगे. So it was, so that's the thing, no question is a silly question, so please ask, don't keep it in your heart.
Sure. Okay. Anybody else has a question for Nupur? You can raise your hand or unmute yourself and go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, Suman. Yeah.
Yes, I'm Suman from
Yeah.
Kolkata.
Yeah.
I have a short question. When you were in Wipro, did you get JAWS? Or
Yes, Wipro provided me JAWS.
okay, no. In today's scenario, people say no, you won't get JAWS or NVDA. You'll have to depend on narrator. So may I know what is the current situation?
Sorry, may I know what is the current what? Sorry, I
It
missed.
is current status like on providing
Yeah,
JAWS
yeah.
or NVDA.
Yes.
No, I'll just repeat the
Maybe-
question. I'll just, Nupur, what he, I think, wants to know is, in your case, they gave you JAWS, but he was saying that these days they don't give you JAWS or NVDA. They ask you to depend on Narrator, which is the Microsoft screen reader. So I think you want to comment on that.
Yes.
I don't have a very clear-cut answer on this because सब कंपनी का अपना अपना अलग अलग पॉलिसी होता है. तो जब मेरे को हायर किया गया था, उन्होंने मुझसे पूछा था कि आपको क्या चाहिए जिससे कि आप प्रोडक्टिव हो सकेंगे. तो मैंने कहा 2 चीज मस्ट है, एक जॉज और एक स्कैनर. ये 2 चीज मुझे चाहिए जो कि मुझे मतलब आई वुड विच विल मेक मी परफॉर्म. तो मैंने अपफ्रंट मांग लिया था, पर कोई कंपनीज जनरली नहीं देती हैं. तो नरेटर हो सकता है. NVDA इज अ फ्रीवेयर. NVDA इज अगेन अनदर सॉफ्टवेयर, स्क्रीन रीडिंग सॉफ्टवेयर जो कि काफी अच्छा काम करता है. but I really do not have much to say here in this because policy varies of
So,
organization.
so you as a visually impaired person, if you have been given a job, would you put your foot down and say that I need a screen reader of quality if you want me to deliver? Would you do that?
Yes, definitely yes. एंड वही वाली बात
Okay,
है,
I think
मुझे अगर
that
पतंग उड़ाने के लिए बोलेंगे तो पहले मुझे मांझा और पतंग तो दीजिए तभी तो पतंग उड़ाऊंगी. तो जैसे आपका कॉपी और पेंसिल आपको चाहिए लिखने के लिए, वैसे मेरे को स्क्रीन नहीं दिखती है तो मेरे कॉपी पेंसिल तो दीजिए तभी तो मैं लिखूंगी.
absolutely, absolutely, yeah.
So, Nupur, I have a question. Usually, private sector is such when you get hired, even though when you come from good institutions, there is a training and orientation that the new hire is put through.
हाँ जी.
Somebody like you who's been in training and in HR, do you think
हम्म.
that companies need to be sensitized on this kind of training also for persons with disabilities when they're hired?
So when you say when the person with disability is a new hire and the onboarding process is happening for them,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
when the
yeah.
training is happening, that needs to be sensitized.
So, what was your experience? We've known, but generally, like if you have friends across sectors and on, do you have any idea what the private sector where it stands and what can it do to improve that?
कुछ नहीं होता है आज की तारीख में, आप मुझे ऑनेस्टली पूछेंगे तो
Hmm.
there is nothing specifically done for to hire people with disability and that too with the complete inclusivity.
Hmm.
कंपनी लाइक विप्रो, कंपनीज लाइक इन्फोसिस थोड़ा सा एफर्ट डाला है टू मेक देयर ऑनबोर्डिंग प्रोग्राम्स इंक्लूसिव.
Mhm.
So being a person with disability, again I have to put my foot down and tell my onboarding team कि यार मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा, मुझे पीपीटी मिल जाएगा क्या इसका.
Hmm.
जैसे मैंने किया था विप्रो में, जब मुझे हायर किया गया था तो उनके पास कुछ नहीं था, उनके पास सेंसिटिविटी भी नहीं थी कि क्या करना चाहिए करके.
Hmm.
सो जो भी सेशन होता था उसके पहले ही आई यूज्ड टू गो एंड आस्क द ऑर्गेनाइजर कि इसका पीपीटी मुझे दिला दीजिए प्लीज, सो दैट आई कैन go through the slides on my laptop what's been happening there, and in case I have questions I can I just provide me an equal level playing field.
Hmm.
That's it. So अगर हम
So,
organizations का वेट करेंगे पॉलिसी बनेगी, so that may not really happen, but what I can do is I can ask for the equal opportunity.
Yeah.
Nupur, a lot of HR people say that they don't get proper candidates to hire.
Yeah.
So, is that correct or wrong? That is one. And secondly, you've seen the education for that blind people get in India. What changes would you recommend should happen for the education so that you get more candidates like you who can actually fit into the workforce?
सबसे पहला first step what I think is remove these special education schools.
Mhm.
Have students send them into the mainstream schools and colleges, because the fight is not ended if you have studied in a special school. The fight is with the mainstream population which is there all around. आपको जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी उन्हीं के अगेंस्ट compete करके लेनी है. So why not the start send people into the mainstream students, mainstream schools, ताकि बचपन से ही you understand कि ये challenges हमारे आ सकते हैं when we grow up. And बहुत कुछ होता है जो कि हम आपस में रहते हैं, मैं भी ब्लाइंड हूँ, आप भी ब्लाइंड हैं, हमें पता ही नहीं लगता कि नॉर्मल जिंदगी में क्या होता है. So if I know that since I am a child, since the age of 9, 10, 11, तो आप उसी हिसाब से अपने आप को डेवलप करने लगते हैं, उसी हिसाब से अपनी पर्सनालिटी बनाने लगते हैं. So from my perspective, जो स्पेशल एजुकेशन स्कूल है, those only can be used for the hostel or providing accommodation facilities to the students or rehabilitation sort of center for them. सर अगर कोई मेरे से लेट ब्लाइंड है या कोई और लेट ब्लाइंड हुआ है तो उसको कैसे मेन स्ट्रीम में लाया जाए, रिहैबिलिटेशन की जाए फॉर दोज पर्पस. जॉर्ज आई मिस द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. अच्छा हाँ, एचआर, बीइंग एन एचआर हमें कैंडिडेट्स नहीं मिलते हैं, दैट्स वेरी ट्रू. देयर आर मल्टीपल रीजंस कि हमें क्यों नहीं मिलते हैं. समटाइम there's a dearth of awareness in people with disability themselves कि हमें पढ़ाई करनी है, हमें ये करना है। एज आई सेड कि वो मेन स्ट्रीम में आए ही नहीं है, तो उनको पता नहीं है कि देयर इज कितना चैलेंजिंग आगे प्लेटफॉर्म आने वाला है। अपने आप में वो जहाँ ऑल विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड स्टूडेंट्स रहते हैं, उसी में compete करके दे आर सो हैप्पी कि वो बिगर फील्ड उन्होंने देखी ही नहीं है कि वो कितनी चैलेंजिंग और हो सकती है। एंड व्हेन दे फॉल इनटू इट, वो compete नहीं कर पाते हैं, देन द टैलेंट क्रंच हो जाता है।
Right, thank you.
Organization like Wipro, what they do is they started this initiative कि वो स्कूल्स में जाते थे, जो अपने स्पेशल एजुकेशन वाले स्कूल होते हैं, हेयरिंग इम्पेयर्ड, फॉर विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड, वहां से कैंडिडेट्स वो इंजीनियरिंग क्लास 12 के बाद ही उठा लेते थे, एंड देन दे यूज्ड टू सेंड देम टू द इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज एंड विद द पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ ब्रिंगिंग देम टू द मेन स्ट्रीम लेटर ऑन। तो वो पहले से ही उनको एडुकेट, कोच, ट्रेनिंग जो भी लगता था करने के लिए, दे यूज्ड टू रन दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम।
Do they still have that program?
They still run it. I think कुछ specialized schools के साथ उन्होंने tie up किया है जहाँ से run करते हैं. But in how much number and how much percentage it is happening, उसका थोड़ा मुझे surety नहीं है.
Right, thank you.
Okay, Kushal Verma has a question, Nupur, and he asks on chat, what are the opportunities available for VIs in private sector if he wants to apply in IT sector
IT
in Delhi NCR?
And IT, maybe he wants to get into information technologies only.
I understand, that's the thing. Kushal, you can unmute and clarify your question. खुशहाल, आप अनम्यूट कर लीजिए अपने एंड से। Yeah, assuming he says IT, I think. Yeah, Delhi NCR, he says.
IT maybe, Shruti, there are a lot of things. He wants to get into coding, development. So it depends. Delhi NCR, there is no dearth of opportunities.
Sure.
Gurgaon, maybe there are a lot of IT companies, and in Noida, Greater Noida, maybe there are a lot of IT companies. Choti, badi, you name it and it is there.
Yeah, Kushal, आपने unmute के लिए आप पूछिए सवाल पूछिए।
Yeah. So
Yes.
actually, my question is that because I did 1 year advanced training from AICB after graduation. So that is why I'm looking for some job of like accessibility testing or something like in IT sector. So that is why I'm asking, because once my sister applied for me in the company like Policy Bazaar, but it's a voice profile, but they basically called me, their HR called me and asked me, you have applied for job. I said yes. So basically I asked her, I'm a visually impaired, don't you have any problem na? So she said okay, I'll confirm and get back to you, and अभी तक उनका कोई call ही नहीं मिला। तो मुझे लगता है कि
तो कुशाल, सबसे पहले तो आप उनको पहले बताया ही नहीं आप विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड है, मतलब दैट्स
ये थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक हो गई ना मुझसे।
दैट्स माय टेक, बिकॉज़ अगेन आप एज अ वीआई नहीं है उनके पास जा रहे हैं, यू आर गोइंग एज अ टैलेंट, यू आर गोइंग एज अ कैंडिडेट।
या
वीआई इज अ काइंड ऑफ कॉम्बो जो आपके साथ जा रहा है। बट सबसे पहली बात, दूसरी बात, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ रिक्वायरमेंट इन एक्सेसिबिलिटी सेक्टर, accessibility testing.
Yeah.
So what have you done in your graduation?
BA, simple BA program.
मतलब आपके पास otherwise technical degree नहीं है, but you have done a technical course for a diploma of a year.
Yeah. NIIT. Yeah.
हाँ, so that can be done. There are a lot of companies who are working in accessibility area. So look for companies like Wipro, look for companies like Infosys, look for HCL, Accenture, they are working hugely in accessibility area.
Right. So I have to look like on search for them at Google, right?
गूगल उनके व्हेन यू गो टू देयर होम पेज, वहां पे एक है ना करियर करके लिंक होता है, मोस्टली हर
Okay.
कंपनी की होम पेज पर ही मिल जाता है, तो वहां पे करियर में जाके ओपनिंग्स जो होती हैं वहां पे दिखती हैं.
You know, some time ago, Accenture had come out with a website portal called Employability. I don't know whether it's still there, where jobs for people with disability were advertised.
Sir, jobability. That's a jobability. That was jobability.
Jobability, is that still around, or
It is around, but I don't see too many postings there. It is definitely around.
okay?
Nupur, one more
Hanji.
thing I'd like to ask. You said you've traveled so much for your work and you've worked in different locations also. And you've mentioned throughout your session today, you mentioned about safety, rightly so.
Yeah.
Right. So what city, according to your experience so far, do you find the safest? Just curious.
Mumbai.
I thought you would say Delhi.
Delhi. Delhi में, although I'm a North Indian, I was born here in North India, kind of grew education also यहीं पे हुआ. Currently also living here, but if given a chance, I would want to go back to Bangalore.
Okay. Because of the
I
weather
love
or
Bangalore better
otherwise?
than-
Because of the weather in Bangalore or otherwise?
No, otherwise also sensitivity in terms of the technology, in terms of behavior of people, in terms of customer service. I think everything is better.
Okay, Darshana, you have a question? You can go ahead and ask.
Okay, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Nupur. Your story is very inspiring. And I work for Highway Help Desk. And we receive many queries. Like, suppose somebody wants to apply for private sector, maybe IT or maybe voice process. But I think Kushal has shared his experience. In the same way, people share with us, like when they explain that they are visually impaired person, so
Mhm.
they do not get opportunities. So like what would you suggest, like like visually impaired person should disclose their disability or not before a interview or something like that?
Um, different perspectives may be there, but in my perspective, in your resume, it should not be there. And the first chat or the interview, if it is happening online or on phone, um, unless and until it comes through the conversation, not make it very obvious to talk about your visual impairment.
Mm-hmm.
But somewhere along the line, you'll have to let them know, right?
Yes, yes. Somewhere, like in my case, while when I was in Wipro, I had applied for a job change, and the interview was with Citibank. On first application, may I had not written. The online interview happened. Usme bhi, there was no. I did not share about the visual impairment. एक कुछ रिटर्न टेस्ट हुआ, उसके बाद में दे हैड सेंड सम केस स्टडीज एंड ऑल, वो भी करके उनको भेज दिया. द फाइनल लेवल वाज विद द एचआर. देन दे सेड कि आपने हमें वीआई के बारे में क्यों नहीं बताया, आपके विजुअल इम्पेयरमेंट के बारे में क्यों नहीं बताया. तो मैंने कहा, आर यू हायरिंग अ पर्सन विद विजुअल इम्पेयरमेंट और आर यू हायरिंग अ कैंडिडेट? इफ यू आर हायरिंग अ कैंडिडेट, आई एम सिटिंग राइट देयर विद यू. But telling about my impairment probably is not required when you are evaluating me for my talent. Later on, the accommodations probably which I need from you, that's when it is required, and I'm there right in front of you.
So I guess
They didn't hire me, they rejected me.
yeah, because yeah.
Okay. Well, I've come to an end with my questions here, George.
Well, thank you so much, Nupur, for giving us this time, and thank you for all those wonderful stories and sharing your life with us. we wish you the very best as you go forward, and look forward to catching up with you sometime in the future when maybe you are the chairperson of GAIL or something. Yeah.
Oh, Bapre, thank you so much, George. Thank you so much. That's a big blessing and the support. And I really loved sharing and talking about my experiences and taking questions from the participants and from you, George. It was a wonderful experience. Thank you so much for having
Thank
me
you.
here.
Thank you, Nupur.
Thank you,
Thank
Shruti.
you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.